Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles with bubble gum. First, select a fresh piece of gum, ensuring it is soft and not too old. Chew the gum thoroughly until it becomes smooth and very pliable, without any hard bits. Next, use your tongue to flatten the gum into a small, thin disc shape inside your mouth. This preparation is crucial for forming a strong bubble. Now, position the flattened gum against the front of your upper or lower teeth. Carefully use your tongue to push the gum through the gap between your teeth, creating a thin film. This action forms a small pocket of gum that will become the base of your bubble. Ensure the film is even and not too thick or thin for optimal bubble formation.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers fantastic insights into financial independence. Check the description below for the link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the gum film in place, close your lips tightly around it, sealing off any air leaks. Begin to exhale a slow, steady stream of air directly into the gum pocket. You should feel the gum expanding outwards. Continue blowing gently and consistently until your bubble reaches the size you desire. Avoid blowing too hard or too fast. To pop your bubble, simply close your mouth quickly or let it pop naturally. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Practice is key. The more you try, the better you'll become at controlling the gum and your breath. Experiment with various brands of bubble gum to discover which ones work best for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.